gonna show the outside world. And here's the guy. And I'm the cameraman.
Yeah, you're the camera girl.
Oh, got it.
You think you're a boy?
Okay.
Ayun
And here's the fish inside there. But you cannot see. And look at these Guatemalans. And they're taking a shower. And look at these angel fishes. And this biting one. And by the way, so we don't step on the mud. You're disgusting.
No, it's dry.
What about there? See your shingilas. Ew! So this is a tree. And he's just gonna come in there without permission. And I'm gonna show you a bell pepper. And there's an Oscar inside, but you can see it because it's very light. Ew! And it's done now. Bye bye.